guys, what's up? Do you notice a difference in the recording quality? Well, this is because I am now using my Canon T2i. This is a great camera, much better than my Nikon D5000, which is exactly why I upgraded to it. So basically, let's get on with this review. Now, it's not something that's going to customize your laptop. It's not something that's going to make it look any different on the outside, but on the inside it will. So basically, it is a mod for your MacBook, your Mac Mini, your iBook, your PowerBook, basically any Apple laptop computer you have. Make sure to check out MCETech to make sure you do have the right laptop that will work with this OptiBay. Now, an OptiBay takes out your SuperDrive, which is located here, and replaces it with a second hard drive. So you will have two fully functional hard drives inside, just like it is a Mac Pro, but you will have the option to run your operating system on your main hard drive, which is the one that came with your laptop, and also store your applications on this, and then maybe you could do a backup on the second hard drive that's located over here. Or you can keep your movie files like I do, because each video takes up around 5 gigabytes on my hard drive. Now, this is great because sometimes I don't want to work in the one situation where I have my external hard drive, which I plug in. Now, basically, my external hard drive is an internal hard drive. So let's open this laptop up. This is a MacBook Pro 13-inch, and I'll show you the OptiBay and how to set it up. Alright guys, so I've opened up my laptop with these screws. Make sure you look and see what order they go in, as they are two different sizes. And it does include the screwdriver, which is pretty cool. It has your thicker end for unscrewing it, as well as a flat end here, and a miniature version of all of that here and there. So basically, for this operation on my MacBook Pro, I only use this one that is thicker and an X. So let's open this laptop up. Make sure you're not doing this on anything that has static. If I can get a grip. So that is the inside of your laptop. So basically, you've got your battery, your RAM, your CPU, and cooling fan, as well as the OptiBay is right here, right where your old SuperDrive would be, and your existing hard drive that came with your laptop. Now, basically, the OptiBay is shaped the exact same way as a SuperDrive, so there's not going to be any shaking, rattling, any sort like that. It adapts to your laptop so that there is no difference. Basically, to install this OptiBay is you take out your SuperDrive by unscrewing the speaker grill here, speaker bar, lifting up these little flaps, unscrewing the screws, and it's basically a simple process of swapping them out. Now, you might wonder, what do I do with my old SuperDrive? I don't want it to go to waste, and what if I need to use it again? Well, what they did include is this SuperDrive enclosure, which basically you put your SuperDrive inside and you can put your disk through there, and it connects through two USBs, which may be a downfall for some, but if you're going to be using your SuperDrive, you're probably not going to be using anything else USB powered at the same time. Another option is to use a hub, which will work just as well. So the OptiBay is made out of this nice metal, so there's not going to be any heating problems or any melting issue. So it is a high quality product. So I've put everything back together, the back plate, and I'm ready to turn on my laptop, show you that it does work. So it is powering, so the operating system is running off of my original hard drive. But you can make it so it runs off of your new OptiBay hard drive and use your original as your backup or your storage, which is a great option if you have partitioned your hard drive so that you can use Windows and Mac at the same time. If you need a larger space for that, you can run it off of your OptiBay. Now, this does require a little bit of work just to figure out how to clone it, but there is a few programs out there for free that can clone your hard drive. Cloning hard drive meaning that it will clone the operating system onto your second hard drive. So I've logged on to my account, and I will show you that this does work, and I'll also plug in the external SuperDrive now to show you that that does work too. So I've started up everything, including Finder, so that I can show you that the second hard drive, which is what I called it, is installed and working properly. So here is my second hard drive, and this is my regular Mac hard drive, which came with the computer. And this second hard drive does work, so we can click on it, and it is fully functional. It has all my files inside. And of course, my first hard drive works just the same. Now, some of you may wonder, what happens if I click the eject button? Well, it will not eject your second hard drive, of course, because it has adapted to it. But what it will do is eject the disk from your external SuperDrive. So let's plug in the SuperDrive. Now once you've plugged it in, you will see a green light, and when it flashes red it means it is thinking. And then you have your tray opening right here, which you can insert your disk. And it works just as well, but of course it uses your 2 USB ports, which might be a problem for some, but it might not be a problem for others. So that was a review on the dual hard drive OptiBay for your MacBook Pro. Of course, this works with their Mac Mini, your PowerBook, your iBook, your MacBook. Make sure you check out the MCETech.com website to make sure that it works. And MCETech also has a whole bunch of other cool products that are new and interesting for the holiday season. Now this is a great price for what it does. Starts off at $99. Which is an awesome deal to insert or to mod your laptop and put dual hard drives in it. So hopefully you have enjoyed this review on the OptiBay. Make sure to subscribe so you get notified if I have any more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.